Cesar Mortgage Broker. Today we're talking about Fannie Mae Homestyle Renovation Program, right? Here's a program that will allow you to cash out the funds you need to renovate without incurring any rate add-ons. It's called the Fannie Mae Homestyle Renovation. I've talked about this in the past, but it's a pretty unique program because, especially right now with my last video, I talked about the LLPAs, loan price adjustments that have been waived. This could be a huge opportunity for borrowers because now they can get a premium rate, mortgage rate, and there is no rate add-ons factored in. So this is a huge thing for most borrowers that a lot of times they don't even know unless you spark the conversation. The program really focuses on helping borrowers renovate their property, and it's a very structured way. There's going to be a person that's going to help them, especially when it comes down to contractors. You really have to have like a manager on board to pretty much, guide the process, make sure that the draws, because the contractor gets draws. They're not just going to get a lump sum and then they're going to get the money and, who knows? Because I've seen a lot of situations where contractors will get the funds and, they don't get the job. So this is actually a streamlined process. It really helps the borrower with structure and guidance. And with this type of program, obviously you need a minimum FICO score of 620. They can purchase a home with as little as 3% down, and they can use luxury items in the renovation. If they want to do structural repairs to the property, they can do that as well. That can be included. Loan amounts as high as $1,089,300. No rate add-ons. If they're trying to do a refinance, they could also use the program, and it'll be looked at as a rating term, so there's no rate add-ons there either. The other thing you got to look at: owner-occupied properties, second homes are allowed, investment properties allowed, non-occupant co-bars are allowed. If the borrower needs income to qualify, that's another option. So there's a lot of good benefits, and the way it works is, for example, if the client were to buy a property here in LA for maybe $750. And they want to renovate the property at an ADU, that's going to increase the value of the property. Now, let's just say that once they buy the property at $750, they do the additions of there's going to be an appraisal based off, how it's going to be renovated. And you get 3 comparables. You're going to show the appraiser, hey, this is the way the renovation is going to look like. And let's just say that property now, it might be worth, $1,050,000 now after the renovation. So obviously you have a loan amount of $750. You're going to factor in, maybe you're going to need maybe $150,000. So your new loan amount is going to be, $900,000, right? So your loan is going to be for $900,000, but you're probably going to be worth $1 million, maybe $150,000, right? And that's the beauty of this program. You'll be able to do all the renovations that you need to get your property the way you want it to be, opposed to trying to go buy a property that's obviously it's a brand new spec home or whatever, but it doesn't have the things that you want, right? So this could be a huge opportunity. If you guys want more information about the program, please reach out to us. We'll provide you with the options and guidance. We've done several programs. We've done several transactions like this, and we really helped the clients, and they were really happy with the process. So for more information, please share, like, and comment. And as always, thanks so much.